Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a login error when you try to sign in into the BMO app, follow these steps. First, start by double checking your username and password for typing mistakes. Then, if you forgot your password, use the forgot password reset option on the login screen. Then make sure your phone has stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Now, if the app still shows a login error, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the BMO banking app and swipe it away. Wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. You can also log into the web browser to confirm your account is not logged. Open Safari, search for BMO and then check whether the app or your account is not logged. Once resolved, return to the app and sign in again. And that's it. Subscribe for more